Salivary amylase. Salivary amylase is the main enzyme in saliva. This enzyme helps break down carbohydrates like starch into smaller molecules like sugar for our body to use. This enzyme mainly breaks down starchy food like potatoes, rice, and pasta. Another enzyme similar to salivary amylase is pancreatic amylase, and this enzyme helps break down starch later in the digestive process. The salivary amylase breaks down starch in the mouth, and the pancreatic amylase breaks down starch during the intestinal phase. Salivary amylase also has other functions like protecting our dental health. This enzyme helps keep starch from accumulating on our teeth. There are other salivary enzymes like salivary acid phosphatase. This enzyme helps open up phosphoryl groups which are attached to other molecules. There are other enzymes present in saliva like lysozymes, and this enzyme helps kills bacteria, viruses, and other foreign substances in the body. During the digestive process, the salivary amylase functions during the beginning of the process when the food is in the mouth. Other enzymes are present throughout the body to help completely digest the food. We learned in Unit 1 about hydrolysis and how you add a water molecule to break the bond of a substance. So the salivary amylase begins by conducting the process of starch hydrolysis. During the starch hydrolysis, only 30% of the starch hydrolysis is completed, and the enzyme we talked about earlier called pancreatic amylase will complete the whole process. Once the process is complete, an oligosaccharide is made and the mucosal process will begin. During this phase, disaccharides like maltose and sucrose will be broken down into monosaccharides, which would be energy for our body. This digestive process talks about how starchy food are broken down into monosaccharides for our bodies. Since not many enzymes can break down starch, if there aren't any salivary amylase, the body will not be able to break down starch. Not many enzymes can perform this function at the level of salivary amylase. When salivary amylase is absent in the mouth, the body cannot receive the sugar and starch, which will be a huge setback because the product in starch is very important for our body. Scientists have believed that having or eating high starch food or diet have been a very important evolutionary force. Thank you for listening to my presentation.